God.
Forsake his way.
Forsake wicked.
And the
God says to
let
you,
the wicked
forsake
his
your way. That
His
means
way.
stop it.
That's right.
Stop this cheap prosperity lies.
That's right.
Stop this hustling the people out of their money. Let the preachers get a job and go to work, or let them die and go to hell.
Amen.
The Bible says if you don't work, you don't eat.
That's right.
I got a job. I got 7 kids.
Oh, yeah.
4 boys whose stomachs are like bottomless pits.
Amen. Amen.
God have never set the church up to make pastors rich.
No.
Make bishops rich.
No.
Your preacher want a yacht? Let him get a job and go buy it himself.
That's right.
Your preacher want a Bentley? Let him get a job and go buy it himself.
That's right.
Your preacher want a plane? Let him go out and sell ice cream and buy it himself.
Amen. Amen.
You give these bums your money, they ride in a jet that you never get a chance to ride in.
That's true. That's true.
Stop sending your preacher children to school.
Yeah.
If you got money to send your bishop children to the best schools, why don't you send your children to the same school?
That's right.
Am I right, I said?
Amen.
Preachers been telling this lie for years. God's men supposed to have the best. When you have God, you got the best.
Amen. Wonderful. Wonderful.
If I don't have a mansion, that don't mean I'm poor.
That's right.
If I don't have a Maybach, that don't mean I'm poor.
That's right.
If I only have one suit, that don't mean I'm poor.
Amen.
The greatest wealth is God himself.
Hallelujah.
Are you listening?